Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. And guys, we are speaking about the new kid on the block, well, at least on Mzansi Magic, called Mpini. Now guys, I know some people were a bit hesitant or are a bit hesitant of actually watching this series because this series is actually on Showmax, and for some reason guys, these platforms are recycling content, so they're taking Showmax content and bringing it to DSTV. So we are reviewing the show, you guys. If you are interested, tell me if this is something you would like me to continue reviewing or not, but it is going to be playing. It is actually replacing Kabeha. Of course, Kabeha got finished last week, and it's going to be playing from Monday to Thursdays at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. on Mzansi Magic. So anyway, this series, I would say, is going to be loved by people who love action, because it seems like it's an action thriller type of series. So anyway, let's get right into it, guys. So this episode starts off right with they showing something eyenzeka kudala. We see these two guys, right? These two drunk guys, they are laughing, they're making jokes, they really seem like besties. So then the one is coupling the one friend Utahambe. So he's coupling his friend opens the door, his friend leaves, and then the daughter's upstairs. She walks out of her room because she can hear her father speaking. So she's about to walk down the stairs. So the father, he's downstairs. He plays a cassette. Yeah, okay, guys. He plays his cassette and there's music and he starts dancing. As he's starting to dance, guys, next thing there's a man in the house and he's pointing his gun on this man's head. That time the daughter is literally there on the stairs staring at everything, and then she hides. Then this Kinsa guy, I should say, or this, I don't know, hitman, takes the man to the room. And then Ambulale, he shoots him, and then he quickly writes a letter and he takes the gun and puts it on the guy's hand. So it looks like it's something like suicide. Then the guy, oh, by the way, the guy, while he was taking the drunk guy to the room, right? They were wrestling a little bit, and then there's a bracelet that kind of fell. The bracelet is very important as the story progresses. So yeah, there was a bracelet that fell, and then once the guy, the hitman, was done writing the letter, done leaving the gun in the man's hand, he picks up his bracelet, or the bracelet that he dropped, and he leaves. Manje, the child saw everything. She runs to the room after she sees Uguti, the hitman is gone, runs to the room, sees Uguti, her father, the horrible situation or scene. She starts crying, screaming. The mother wakes up. She comes from upstairs. She sees her husband. She starts screaming as well. So that's the background story. So the series is about this girl called Undoni. Undoni is the young girl that witnessed her father getting killed in front of her eyes. And now that she's a grown girl, she is kind of finding, or she wants revenge, or she wants some sort of closure concerning who killed her father, because it looks like whoever this person is was a close person, and it looked like the father was actually sold out. Something like that. Nezinto zama-comrade. So anyway, guys, this is the first episode, so keep put. Go and watch the trailer on Mzansi Magic, any of the Mzansi Magic pages. Go and watch the trailer if it's something that you're interested in. Keep put, because the first episode is a bit all over, because we're still trying to find out who's who, what's going on, and still trying to grip or grasp our grip on what exactly is going on. But when it progresses, a story, like, it starts coming together. So anyway, we see this girl Undoni. She is boxing. She's boxing and she's punching her bag, and looks like she's got anger issues. So as she's doing that, then some guy, his name is Ujabulani. So I'm not sure if Ujabulani is her colleague. It looks like he's a colleague, he's a friend, or in something like that. So Undoniga, she's punching the bag, she's doing some boxing there, and then Ujabulani comes and he taps her on her back. So yeah, not because she's not expecting anyone, she turns back and she punches him. So guy falls to the floor, he's holding his stomach, busy moaning there. Undoni turns around and she's like, upambene. Then guy Jabulani is like, hey bo, when ufuna wena karate kid yini. Undoni is like, hi, uyapanga ke ngubo, like drama, like to say, I didn't hit you that bad. Then she says, I thought you were coming later on today. Ujabulani then says, yeah, umagogo uqede early eklinik namhlanje. Undoni then says, oh yini umntana kamakhulu, alright, umakhulu. Then uLokhuzana Ujabulani then says, hi, she's fine, alright, yamazi, soldier nje. Undoni responds and she's like, yeah. Then Ujabulani says, so awungitshele, uzizwa njani namhlanje? Undoni is like, ndi-grand ngoba Ujabulani says ukuthi ngiyabuza ngoba ilanga lanamhlanje situation. So he's trying to say something that looks like this day is special, but Undoni is just like Jabulani, like don't go there. Jabulani is like, Jabulani then says, come on, ndi serious. The big boss is honoring ubabu wakho namhlanje. Undoni is like, Jabulani. Then Jabulani says, I think it's amazing. And then Undoni says, Utata wafa dala, okay? It's like today's like any other day. So it looks like the company that they're working for, guys, ne? The father, Utata Undoni, who it looked like they planted or made it seem as if he committed. Yeah, that word, let me not say it because YouTube and all of that. I don't want to get into trouble, though I already said it. But anyway, yeah, and it looks like Undoni is working for that company, the company which his father had a hand in establishing. So namhlanje usuolukhulu, they want to acknowledge uTata Undoni. But for some reason, Undoni, like, it looks like she's a bit hesitant of ukuvuselela the memory or something like that. So next scene, then we see Undoni usendlini yakhe. Ujabulani is in the house as well. I guess they are close like that. So Jabulani is like, "Kurhiwan la eldin." Undoni then says, I ndizowenza itim. Jabulani is like, I know it's fine. So he's walking around the house. As he's walking around the house, he passes one room. Kanti when he's passing one room, guys, there is some guy laying naked there on the bed. I guess he was expecting Undoni, but he didn't know which Undoni is coming home with a visitor or a friend or something like that. So Jabulani is like, hey, Mthathi ndini la kwenzani lana? Then uguy who's on the bed is like, hey bana, hi man, yes sis. Undoni runs to the room because she recognizes the voice. She's like, Plaza. Kuthiwa uPlaza-ke uguy wakhona. uPlaza's like, hey man, I thought Ntoni ukuthi I'd surprise you. Manje uMr. Friendzone uyaphapha, like wenzani lana? That time the bed is full of petals, guys. Kusho ukuthi the guy, like, he had a whole idea. Kanti uNtoni uyimoshile ngoku-invite umngane wakhe. uNtoni is like, surprise me? What? Ndiyasebenza nje namna, like, you know that I'm working. Plaza goes on to say, Ankere au Arabi the phone call taka. You're not answering my phone call, so what must I do? It's like, yes, he's dressing up there. Dresses up, he gets out of the room, and then Ujabulani that time he's laughing all along. Then Plaza just gets out of the house. Undoni, she's running after, she's like, Plaza, runs after him. She's like, please stop him. Plaza's like, King. Undoni's like, look. Plaza's like, King. Undoni's like, Jonga, lanto that you were trying to do, it be sweet. Plaza's like, ay muna. You don't answer my phone calls, you don't call back like yini. Undoni's like, ndi busy as kiss, baby. Ushubuti, this is Undoni's boyfriend, you guys. Jabu, that time he's looking. He also got out of the house. He's looking and he's laughing. I'm just like, Jabu, why are you being that guy? Anyway, uLokhuzana Undoni goes on to say ukuthi zininzi izinto endizenzayo, like I've got a lot on my plate. uPlaza goes on to say ukuthi I understand mina, like I understand kuba ubona later ke. Can I see you later on? Undoni is like, kukho into yomsebenzi namhlanje. The guy just looks away, like to say, like, there you starting again. Undoni is like, but Jonga ngizokufonela, like, I'll call you. The guy looks disappointed. Undoni is trying to charm the guy. She's like, come on, don't be like that. She kisses him, she brushes him, and he starts smiling them. And she's like, ngizokufonela ne. Ujabu standing there, he just coughs like to say with the guys like don't come do awkward things la in front of Pamukwam. Uplaza's like, yes, sis, Mr. Friend Zone, you always mess up the mood when Ujabulan is like, ungazong try lagabi when a flower boy. Undon is like, Papa is tana samzo. Then the guy leaves and then that scene ends. Then next scene we see this guy who is in his house. It looks like a lavish house. He is tying his shoes. But then they replay the scene that they played at the beginning where there's two drunk men. We should see the one drunk man who was killed, Ubaba Landon. Now the second man was the friend who left, they were busy joking around. Ushuguti, it's this guy that we are seeing now, and this guy's name is Ukaya. So Ukaya is, I guess, the best friend or close friend to Undoni's father or late father. So anyway, he ties his shoes, he's whistling. As he's whistling, he passes like he's passing a camera, and he sees his wife sitting in there and she's doing some makeup. There's a gift there, like a necklace on the table. It looks like it's untouched, but he comes in the room and he's like, Yini, awitandi, like to say, don't you like the gift? He enters the room, he's like, hey. The wife just keeps quiet. She's busy na my makeup la payan. Then he's like, I think shayele yona. He takes it, he puts it on her chest like to show her wuti like this necklace is beautiful. You should be wearing it. Then Ukaya's like, yeah, bo, ganje. The wife is just like, you can see wuti ageko se mutin for that necklace, you guys. Then the wife says wuti ay bengingafuni ukuyigqoka namhlanje. Then Ukaya's like, how? Ifake namhlanje ebusuku. Like, kusho ukuthi there's an event that's happening namhlanje ebusuku. Then the wife says ukuthi lento like ayihlangene ne-necklace Kaya. To be quite honest, it has nothing to do ne-necklace. Ukaya's like, yini? Like, ukaweza inkinga zase-MPS. Then the wife says, na, ngoba like, I'll understand why overshadow i-anniversary company kalendaba kabonga. So what's happening? The company is having an anniversary, you guys, but Ukaya decides to honor his best friend as like part of the company anniversary. The best friend is the one who apparently like deleted himself. So Ukaya says ukuthi hayibo like kuna 15 years ehambini ubonga. I think it's about time that we honor him. Ukhumbule phela ukuthi uyena ebenesandla. He was the one who had a hand in establishing everything that we have today. The wife is like, yeah, kodwa ubaba ke ucabanga ukuthi yonke lento izoletha imibuzo that are unnecessary. Ulokhuzana ke Ukaya's like yini akasafuna ukukhuluma ke manje, doesn't he want to do his speech anymore? The wife is like, hayibo ukushare stage no general. Kusho ukuthi no general guys udume something, but we get to meet general later on in the episode. Then Ukaya, we see Ukaya, he takes some bracelets and then the wife like helps him to put on this bracelet. Funny enough, this bracelet is the very same bracelet, you guys, that at the beginning, whoever killed Ubaba Gandoni, Ubonga, the name of the guy is Ubonga, he had the very same bracelet on and he picked up the bracelet. So Ukaya is putting on the bracelet. And the wife is like, Haibongi Pindela Wenzela lento nje in white and gold. Like, I made the same bracelet for you in white and gold. Manjege, why hukora len? Because like you know, we've been through this before. Pelatina, singama comrade. And everyone's gonna be wearing their bracelets. Tina siyinte yodwa nje. Then the wife is like, how ngempela? Ukaya is like, yes, everyone will be wearing theirs. He goes on to say, Lalela, ubaba wakho uyi-deputy president of this movement of theirs or this company of theirs. Generally, uyayazi indawo yakhe. Then the wife says, okay, fine, ubaba uzokhuluma kuphela, right? Like he's only gonna do the speech, nothing more. Ukaya's like, oh, okay, akunankinga. So it looks like whatever it is, Unokuzana, the father of the wife, and this apparent general, it looks like they are izindanga, guys, and it looks like there is some friction that is going on that we might see as the episodes progress. Next scene, we see Undoni, she is dressed in a suit. So the company that they run, Undoni, her job, she is a professional a professional bodyguard. So we are at the event. Okay? This event is / the anniversary of the company / honoring ubaba Ndoni. So anyway, Undoni is in a suit. Next thing, there's flashy cars. VIPs are jumping out of the car. So Ndoni, obviously she is the mother, or she is the wife of the man that's been honored today. So she's been brought in a VIP car. So she gets out of the car. Undoni is like, Sindiaz uzelent on, Sindiaz ba uzelent on. Ndoni then says, wasn't on yangu. Undoni is like, molo mama. And then Ulukuzanu Ndoni goes on to say, which is so, we have Uyutatako is finally being recognized today. Undoni is like, yes. Then Umamage then says, oh, that's good, Genganyam. Undoni is like, parade says, Opalage mama. Then Umama says, all right. Difaneleke sisi, ukabele nini ukuthatha ipilisi zakho. Undoni is like, ma, please. Then umama says, no, ndiyabuza nje. Mamela uDr. Viljoen yena, umqabele nini? Undoni is like, ma, not now. Then umama is like, Ndoni, stop dismissing me. Ndiyabuza nje. Undoni is like, ma, please, like, don't worry, okay? Ndifuna ukuqala umsebenzi wami now, like, I need to go and start working. Mama's like, okay, fine. And ndiyazikhumbula like man eza branch dates zethu ndifuna uba sizenze. Then Undoni is like, sure ma, we will do them. Then umama's like, ne, anytime ke ngizothetha no-Ingrid asilungiselele ke. Then Undoni is like, okay mom. Then Ndoni says, Ndoni, futhi you must call your mother once in a while umcheke ke. Then Undoni is like, okay ma, like angeke nduphokhe, like I'll really will call you and whatnot. Then they say their bye-byes. So it's starting to give vibes, guys. With Undoni acts as if, she's working in a company that her father is recognized. And it looks like she's not over the passing of her father. It looks like she is on some sort of medication, because her mother's asking her about it, but it looks like Ugeli is in denial and she keeps sweeping everything underneath the carpet. Then next scene, girl, we see all these private bodyguards, they are gathered together, and Ukaya, the guy who was the best friend, Kabonga, which is Utataga Kandoni, he's addressing them. So he goes on to say, and to celebrate our 25th year in operation, ngicabanga ukuthi ungakuhle ukuthi ngiphakamise igama lomuntu who is actually very important. One person who actually contributed in the establishment of Umkhonto Protection Services. My comrade, my friend, umuntu was like a brother to me, Ubonga Themba. And then Ulokuzana, I get, because Ulokuzana, Undoni was speaking to her mother, she comes in and she joins them. Ulokuzana Ukaya goes on to say, ngaphandle kwakhe ngabe asikho la sikhona namhlanje. Kodwa-ke into enhle ayenza ukuthi washiyela indodakazi uNdoni Themba. He goes on to say, ukuthi Ndoni, you are like a daughter to me. Uzoqhubeka nje, uzoqhubeka la ubaba wakho washiya khona. Sithembeke ukuthi you will continue working together with us for the next 25 years to come. Then everyone claps their hands. Ujabulani is already part of them. Ujabulani gets called to hand out t-shirts, and on the t-shirts there's Ulokuzana Ubonga, which is Utata Ndoni's face printed on the t-shirt. So they really are going big with this. Next thing, girl, we see wife Kaya, though. Kaya's wife, she is sitting with her father and she's dishing him up some cakes or something like that. So she's having a conversation with her father. Her name is Uwini, the wife of Ukaya. Her name is Uwini, and she's saying, so baba, ngiyavuma. Then her father's like, uyavuma. She's like, yeah, Ukaya no Bonga, they were friends. Ngicabanga ukuthi usuke emkhumbulile nje. That's the reason why he wants to remember him today. Then the father's like, yazi, I'm fighting to retain my position. Ugenerali uyangiphazamisa ngalana, ukhohlakele lo general wakhona. Uyazi ukuthi ngidinga njengamanje. Ngidinga nje ilaunch esezingeni elikhulu for my campaign. Then Uwini goes on to say, which General uyazi indawo yakhe baba, like don't even worry about him. Baba says, yay, You should hear into ayikhulumayo about the leadership in the ward corridors. Awumazi kahle wena ugeneral. Then uWinnie goes on to say, Baba, indodana yakhe izoshada uNosipho. uNosipho is the daughter kaWinnie. Indodana yakhe izoshada uNosipho maduzane nje sizoba ngumndeni. Ungakhathazeki baba, like aludle nje. And then that scene ends. So then we see uKhaya again. He's escorting some people who are carrying something. He's escorting them and he's busy telling them ukuthi wozani ngalana. He's like athi siyibeke ngalana lento. And then he bumps into uNdoni. So uNdoni is like, hey malume. Then uKhaya's like, hey Ndoni. uNdoni is like, kuhamba njani? uKhaya's like, uyaphila kodwa. Then uNdoni is like, yeah, is everything set for tonight? uKhaya's like, everything is going accordingly. Then he says, oh, onje, I want to show you something. Khona into engifuna ukukhombisa yona. Then he flips this material, because whatever these guys are carrying, like it's covered with like a material. He flips the material, and then there's a picture of uTata kaNdoni on a portrait of uTata kaNdoni. Then uKhaya says, what do you think? And uNdoni is just quiet, guys. You can see she doesn't know what to say, but you can see there's tears filled in her eyes. And then he's like, awuyithandi? uNdoni is like, no, inhle. And then uKhaya's phone rings, and then uKhaya says, I have to take this, sorry. And then he excuses himself, and then he answers his phone. So uNdoni, as she's staring at that picture, guys, she recalls a memory of where she was sitting laying on her father's lap, and her father was telling her about how much she is such a blessing, of how impilo yakhe changed ever since uNdoni came. So as she's busy thinking about that, then some lady comes and she's like, Ndoni Themba. And then uNdoni snaps out of it. She turns around. She's like, yes. Then this lady's like, sawubona, ngiyaxolisa, igama lami nguGugu Ndlovu. I'm a correspondent at Daily Beats. Kusho ukuthi she's a journalist. She goes on to say, I have few questions if you don't mind. Ngiyabona ukuthi uqashwe yi-MPS. Then MPS is this company. Then uNdoni is like, yes, it's been almost 2 years ngoku. uGugu then says, so they celebrating kumnandi at your father's expense. Angazi, like, are you going to vindicate your father's legacy? uNdoni is like, ilegacy yatatami right. I need to ukulungiswa. Then uGugu is like, I mean, like, it's been what, 15 years? uNdoni is like, since what? 15 years since what? uGugu is like, since your father's passing. uNdoni is like, yes, okay. And then uGugu is like, uzizwa kanjani ngoKhaya Bhodoza ne-MPS giving uKhaya his flowers despite uNokhuzana? uNdoni is like, despite what? At this point, guys, she is really irritated. uGugu then says, everyone knows ukuthi uNokhu, he was a traitor, and the alleged suicide. uNokhuzana uNdoni is like, jonga sisi, I don't know what you're talking about. Utatam wasweleka kudala. There's no need to persecute him right now. Gugu then says, kodwa ke izinto asolwa ngazo Miss Ndoni, hayibo uLokhuzana Miss Ndoni ke, she's just like not interested. She's just like, you know what? Go to hell. And she just walks off. uGugu's like, yo, ufeisty ke wena. And then that scene ends. Next scene, guys, zibati ke, it's the night. Now it's the actual timing or the actual celebration of the anniversary / celebration of Tata Ndoni. The lights are flashing, they ibati, guys, people are coming in like, listen, they went all out. What seems like as well, remember uTata kaWinnie, he said he wanted to campaign his what, so it looks like he's also campaigning kuhlanganiswe zonke lezinto, i-anniversary, the campaigning of his what, and also celebrating uBonga, which is uTata kaNdoni. So anyway, we see uMama kaNdoni. She's like, she looks at uNdoni, and then now it's the after party in a sense. And then uNokhuzana, uMama kaNdoni, she's like, you should have told me ubani ukuphathela ilokhwe. Then uNdoni's like, Mama, ndilapha, like, please, I beg you, like, I'm here already. Then uMama's like, okay. Then some girl called uZozo. Some girl called uZozo comes in. She's like, Nosipho, remember uNosipho is the daughter kaWinnie. who's supposed to get married to a general's son or something like that. So uZozo was like, no, Sipho, Uhuru is the son ka general, I guess. So anyway, she's like, no, Sipho, Uhuru, my favorite couple. My favorite couple is going to steal the show tonight. Uhuru looks at uNosipho, is like, baby, you look so gorgeous. uNosipho is like, ngiyabonga. Then uZozo, she's like, so ndimeme ama-publications were mainstream. We have to make sure ukuthi they catch your best side. Uhuru, you are loving and you're in charge. At Nosipho, you are elegant, you're classy and kept, right? Like saying ukuthi keep to the script of what I'm telling you guys. Unosipho's like, sikhona what this dingo for all of this? Uzozo's like, yes. Uhuru's like, it's one of my dad's initiatives. Besides, Tandasama, I thought that you'd really love the limelight. Unosipho's like, wrong girl. Uzozo goes on to say, okay, listen, guys, you must remember to wave, or she's saying to uNosipho, you must remember to wave with your left finger. Remember that the cameras must catch your good side. Then she goes on to say, oh, this also reminds me, let me hold your ring. She takes out another ring from her bag. She's like, this ring is a bit more PR. So she's taking out uNosipho's real ring and giving her a bigger ring that's like worth PR, I guess. She's like, so this ring is a bit more PR friendly. She goes on to say, they don't call me the best for nothing. Now listen, guys, no big political statements from the two of you. Everything is about peace, happiness, nah? Wedding bliss. Okay, then she walks off. So as she walks off, then Uwini comes in, which is the mother kaNosipho, and she's like, Nosi, and then Unosi's like, Mama. And then Uhuru then says, oh, Mrs. Potoza, you're looking, Mrs. Potoza, you're looking gorgeous. Then Uwini says how, Ushaicha, my boy, looking good yourself, mfanam. Uhuru's like, thank you. And then Ulokuzan Uwini's like, okay, then guys, enjoy. Then Unosipho's like, now we're food. Hi, guys, next thing, there is some flashy guy. Guys, there's some, everyone, remember this is like a professional type of event. Everyone, everyone's like dressed in black attire. Is it black attire or black tie? Attire, something like that, but they dressed formal. But there's this one guy, guys, that is just dressed in Gatiena Ulinika of some sort. So he's kissing some guy. Gushuguti. This is Uwini. She has one daughter, which is uNosipho, and she has a son, which is this guy, okay? And his name is Umkhonto. So Umkhonto's busy kissing some girl. Miss Potoza, yes, guys, uphoxekile there. She's like, Umkhonto. Then Umkhonto's like, oh, hey, ma, is everything good? This is Venus, hey? Like, Venus is the girl he was kissing. This is Venus, and yeah, you know the chain smosh. Hi, bo. Mrs. Potoza is like, uyazi ukuthi private function lena nje. Umkhonto's like, ma, come on, like she's the next big piano superstar in South Africa. MPS should be grateful for that. Girl is like, babe, like to say like, like that is so charming for you to say I'm the next biggest artist. Then Unokuzana Uwini is like, Umkhonto, ulate. Umkhonto's like, okay, ma, listen, I'm sorry. Do you think mhlambe like let's hook up with the MC so that he can give us the slots to, I don't know what he wanted to say, but Uwini is like, hi, when? Then Umkhonto's like, ma, come on. And she's like, listen, just go and wipe the lipstick off of your face. Utshele kenge yakho ukuthi bahlalele emuva. Then, okay, fine, that ends. So now everyone is seated. They're about to do formalities, about to do speeches. Everyone's dressed nice, guys, except Umkhonto ne group yakhe. They are celebrating, remember, the 25th celebration of the company and the campaign Kababa plus the man in question, Ubonga. So Kaya's like, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This morning when I woke up when I thought about usuku lanamhlanje ngendlela elibaluke ngayo and what it actually means. Ubonga Themba, yes, ebenezinto zakhe. Akekho umuntu ongenamadimoni akhe. Kodwa lokho abushintsho ukuthi uBonga uyena muntu who recruited me into this liberation movement. Uyena muntu that we used to fight or we fought in the bushes of Kokstad And the same person who had the biggest influence in this establishment of Mkhonto Protection Services. Ubonga kuningi okuhle akwenzile kunokubi. Ngizocela ukuthi ngibize ngaphambili ilida yethu ye-Unity uGeneral of the Watford Ntonton Young Lions ukuthi aze ngaphambili nama-comrades Then he says, please guys, please give him a round of applause. Then everyone gets up, guys, they give him a round of applause. General mega figure staging came. The general comes to the stage and then they unveil the portrait. That portrait that Undoni was shown, they unveiled that portrait and then they clap their hands. So Unsebenzga generally was just there to unveil the portrait. And then uLokhuzana-ke Khaya goes on to say ukuthi ngizocela ukuthi sisukume sonke and then we must welcome phambili uDeputy President uEnoch Mbatha. Let's give him a round of applause. uEnoch Mbatha is the father of Uwini. Hi guys, as everyone's standing and as Enoch is about to come to the stage, they're clapping for him. General decides to do what? He grabs the mic out of Ukaya's hand and then he's like, comrades. Guys, now it's awkward because Enoch is the one who's supposed to come and do the speech. Now abantu are starting to sit down, they like Huguti and then like what's going on? uLokhuzana uKhaya speaking underneath his voice underneath his breath to General. He's like, ungayenzi lento, ungayenzi. Anyway, General goes on to say, I greet you all in the name of freedom. I did not want to speak or say anything tonight. Kodwa-ke, after hearing Ukhaya's moving words, that inspired me to speak and in a bid to do what is right. Ngiyazi ukuthi khona abangabazayo izinto eziningi with the direction of our country. Our leaders have let us down. Everyone's looking at uEnoch manje ukuthi like that is our leader. Goes on to say ukuthi our leaders have let us down. Kodwa ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi there are still good people in the movement who will turn things in your direction or maybe in your favor. That time the stares that is going around the room ukuthi like what's going on? General then says siyabonga and then the crowd claps. That time guys, while the general's doing his Lokhuzana, his speech there, Undoni shame she is so tired of this. I think she did not like the fact that they were saying certain things because it looks like there's a narrative that's going around about Ubonga, about bad things that he did. Undoni gets to the bar, she's like, "I'll drink. Like, please give me like a drink, something to drink, like an alcoholic beverage." The waiter then says, no, I can't give you because we were told which we must not open the bar up until the speeches are done. Undoni takes out money, she's like, ndiniki drink. The waiter is like, listen ma'am, I can't do it for you, there's a camera here. Undoni is starting to fight at this point. Yeah. Then one guy who seems like he's also Undoni's boss, he comes and he's like, "Kwenzakalani lan?" And then the waiter tells Ukai ukuthi phela Miss Ndoni is like forcing me to take her money and to give her a drink, and I'm telling her. And then uLokhuzana, the guy's like, listen, the bar is not open up until we are done. So can you get back to work? Undoni is like, I've clocked out, so I don't take orders from you. The guy just looks at the waitress. He's like, don't give her nothing till the program is done. So there's like people notice ukuthi there's a friction there. Undoni's mother, she rushes to the boss. She's like, Ndoni. Undoni's like, not now, mama, ndiyacela. Mama's like, no, but like uyaphi ngathi uyahamba ngoku. Undoni's like, ndothini, like ndothini ungahambi. Did you hear what they were saying about utata? Utata wam. Then umama's like, ifani ke into yakho because you agreed when Ukhaya asked if you could do this. And then Undoni is like, I agreed as usual because I didn't know better, andit. I'm always being blindsided. And Undoni just walks off. Her mother's like, how woman, Ndoni? Undoni just walks off. The mother's like, Ndoni. Undoni, she decides because they don't want to give her alcohol there. She goes to a pub, guys. She gets to the pub. She orders a drink. She's sitting. She has a bottle, in fact. She's sitting on a table drinking. Then that drunk guy, guys, comes. He buys is alcohol. He looks at Undoni. He's like, "Oh, sugar and spice." He sits down. He's like, sugar and spice for a pretty princess like you. Then he attempts to touch her face and then Undoni just like looks away. He's like, "Come on, like I'm a vibe. I keep him this guy." He's like, "Yeah, like I'm a vibe. I'm a vibe. Like I can betcha you." Then another girl walks in. And she sits at another table. Then Ukai decides to get up and is like, that's what I'm talking about. He leaves Undoni to go to Shella, this lady. When he gets to that lady, the girl's like, "Aibo, like soaring in linde abangan bam." The guy's like, "Really hug, get really hug." The girl's like, "Leave me alone," and she pushes him. Then the guy's like, "That's the thing, abafazi, abakoraganje," and he touches her leg. Undoni, that time she's looking, guys, and she gets irritated at the fact that this guy is pushing himself on this lady. She takes her bottle, guys, and she bashes it on his head. Next thing, there's a fight. The guy is like, "Aibo and Ngenzan, zobulala yazo." They start fighting. The guy's friend starts coming. Undoni hits them one by one, guys. Abataite. And then the episode just ends like that. I'm just like, Undoni, it's about high time, guys, that she realizes she's got some anger issues and things she needs to deal with. Because listen, the father thing or this situation really is rubbing her up the wrong way. Anyway, guys, that's Pocket Righteous. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.